It's for Halloween music.
Music.
Yes, Halloween music.
Aj сега едно Božić-Novi Gaj, kaži, taj čičko da snimati napravili nam Christmas Extreme.
Ajde.
A može da ja da snimam da podelite sve?
Da, može, ajde snimati.
Hi guys, it's Dania, and this week's game is Christmas. So let's get started. For the first item to do is I brought some candy for Halloween, and then I have this and this and this and this and this and this. That's so much candy. Now in that 1 minute for then back for the dance for Halloween music. But for the inside now for that. And that also the cake. So that I do. And my elves at home, and I have my tree. That is a happy now for that. That means that is the one to say that happy now, but that so thanks for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching, bye.